Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential component of the CSEC Principles of Accounts syllabus, the Purchases Daybook. If you're preparing for your exams or simply seeking to solidify your understanding of this topic, you're in the right place. The Purchases Daybook, often referred to as the Purchases Journal, is a specialized accounting record used primarily to track credit purchases of goods. This book is crucial for businesses that frequently buy on credit, as it helps in organizing and summarizing purchase transactions, making it a pivotal tool for accountants and business owners alike. Let's break down its structure. Typically, the Purchases Daybook includes several key columns: the date of transaction, the name of the supplier, an invoice number, the folio, and the value of goods purchased. Each entry corresponds to a purchase invoice, recording the details neatly to ensure accuracy and completeness. An important point to note is that the Purchases Daybook does not record cash purchases. For cash transactions, businesses usually rely on the cash book. Recording only credit transactions of goods helps distinguish the nature of purchases and facilitates better tracking of credit obligations. Let's illustrate with a quick example. Imagine a company buys goods from Kelly Supplies Ltd. on credit. The transaction date, supplier, invoice, and total amount from the purchase invoice are meticulously entered into the Purchases Daybook. This process, though seemingly simple, ensures that every credit purchase is accounted for and filed away accurately. Mastering the Purchases Daybook not only helps in exams, but is a vital skill in real-world business settings. Knowing how to efficiently track purchases can lead to more accurate financial reporting, affecting everything from cash flow analyses to budget planning. By understanding and utilizing the Purchases Daybook efficiently, you're laying a strong foundation for effective accounting practices. Keep practicing, stay organized, and you'll be on your way to mastering the principles of accounts. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more accounting insights.